let's get this day started. It's currently 4:42 a.m. and it's December 23. So I'm gonna take you guys through a full day of eating. I'm currently waiting for my friend to pick me up right now. We're gonna go get our workout in. I'm gonna leave you with the next clip, which is our workout, and then we're gonna do our post-workout meal and go through what we eat in a normal day. So let's get it. Well, what do you eat for breakfast? A fucking bang!
Shout out to Bang.
Shout out to promo.
You know,
Shout out to Bang. Throw out the sponsorship over here.
Yeah, you know, también
With a little bit of ice. What's up? Oh, show them that morning hair. The reality hair, not like
This is how you know it's real, cause you just wake up in the morning and you're not even looking at anything, right? You're just like, you get on it, you just hear a phone. Hey, you ready?
Tring, tring, tring.
What's up? You ready? I'm ready. Vámonos.
Oh shit, let's get it.
Hey, what are you drinking, bro?
Oh, this is a Bang. Oh shit, it's pretty good. Oh shit, got the urge to work out now. Lightweight, baby. Bang, 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 bang. Woo! Let's get to hey, that shit really does put in work.
Like I say?
Taste it. As soon as you taste a little bit, god damn.
You get that rush.
I feel it right now, like I feel it.
Hey, pop the guns out, pop the guns.
Papa?
Throw in the promo,
Throw in the promo. And there's the Indigo Compton boxing shirt. No, we're not wearing the black one today, so.
Where you can get that one
Get
at?
our Compton Boxing CBG. Follow us. You already know.
You already know the
Get
deal.
it going.
Hey, the black 454 that you had with the red leaf, you did that to it or?
No, güey, esa la compré rica, güey. I just bought the red and fucking dropped it and shit. La rica ya la tenía pintada así.
I remember that truck was sick as fuck.
I used to love that truck, just that was too fucking loud. Fuck, fue esa madre se oía bien loud. It was a 496 big block. Hacía más ruido que lo que corría, pero.
That's still a badass truck.
Yeah, fuck, she was bad.
What you selling?
Too loud, bro? Oh, okay, fool. I'm gonna get stopped in this bitch, get stay fast. Le puse todo el gas, están still loud.
The Sunday fun.
I should try that shit every day, güey. Neta, güey.
That's why you got tired of it.
You're lost on nigga.
Yeah. I'm like, we gotta use the bar like this one? Was it this
You
one
know
or
like
that
when
one?
we do shoulders?
Huh?
When we do shoulders,
Uh-huh.
levantamos la bar, put it like that.
Oh.
Como cuando somos chefs así es.
Cosmic. opportunity for bold steps to help accelerate green energy transition. So, are electric cars now in the fast lane? And if so, what is Shell doing to help them along? Head to the Energy Podcast to find out.
Alright, so we're back at home. Breakfast is served. I didn't record the cooking part because I don't like taking too long, but it's 7:47 right now. See, 7:47. Breakfast time. Today we got some proats and some egg whites. So about 300 grams of egg whites, 2 pieces of turkey bacon, some sriracha, and yes, some mustard. I'm also watching One Piece right now. I'm on episode 158. I know I gotta catch up. And we also got some proats. 2 packs of oatmeal with a whole scoop of protein. So I'm gonna get this meal in right now, and I'll see you guys on the next clip. That workout was pretty good today. So we're gonna get this day going, and another full day of eating. And breakfast was bomb. Alright, so they just finished setting up this little tent right here. This is for tomorrow for our family, but we're about like 11 only, and my girlfriend's coming over too. So just a small gathering, you know, December 24. It's ready, you know, because SoCal get to just a bit cold and we start going crazy. Look who's over there. Bam. My sister-in-law even got a jumper. She got a jumper for the kids. You know, we're gonna spend a good time tomorrow. Just eat some food. It's crazy, right? The year's about to end, and 2020 wasn't the best year, but hopefully next year is a better one. Let's go get some groceries. So I just came out of Food for Less, right? And this is the second time this happens to me. I get to Food for Less. Luckily I had some money on me, like on my pocket. Luckily I paid the guys from the jumper and the tent right now, so I had some change, but I forgot my wallet. You know why? Because nowadays the first thing you remember to get is this, your mask. So you forget about everything else, right? You forget about your phone, you forget about your wallet, your money, and everything. So I get to Food for Less and I'm like, damn. So I'm limited. I only had $30 cash. I don't even got my license with me. So I only had $30 cash. And I bought the stuff that I needed, which was $26. I needed more stuff, but I had to live with myself. You know? It kind of sucks nowadays that you come out of your house and the first thing you think about is grabbing your freaking mask. Fucking COVID, man. But let's continue the day. I just wanted to share this. You know, I just wanted to share this thing with you guys. Shaking my damn head. So we're back home. We're getting ready to eat meal number 2, and there's gonna be a sandwich. It's loaded with cucumbers, tomato, coleslaw. I like coleslaw on it. Sriracha, the protein bread from, I forgot what they call it, but that protein bread, you know. And we also did a full serving of Pringles. Remember, I don't have a fast metabolism, but it's always good to be flexible with your diet. It's all about your macros, calories in and calories out. So this is gonna be our second meal, and I also added a Coke diet. So I eat like every 3 hours if I have the time to eat, like every 3 hours. So I'm gonna show you the time right now so you can see I am not lying. It is 11. It's 11:10. So if I have time, I eat every 3 hours. If not, well, I'll separate my meals a little bit more. My 2 first meals are always my heaviest meals because later on in the day, I do my personal training and I train the kids. So I only have time for 2 more meals, and at night I just like snack on something. So first 2 meals are always the heaviest, and I give it time to digest. I don't do fasting. I just try to eat throughout my day and keep my macros the same. So pretty much I eat the same thing every single day because I don't get bored of food. But the easier your diet is, the easier you'll stay on track. If you try to, like, I guess, you know, switch it up so much, it gets hard for you. But I try to stick with the same food on the daily. So I'm gonna get this meal in and I'll show you my next meal, and let's get through this day. Wants me to do a mukbang. Like third meal of the day, and we're gonna keep this one pretty simple. So we're gonna do 3 tacos. We're gonna use these Mission low carb corn tortillas. These are pretty good. Remember, you can eat a lot of stuff that people think you can't. A lot of people say they're just gonna stop eating tortillas and all that stuff, and it's not like that, you know. It's all about having balance, and it's all about controlling the way you eat. Just because you eat healthy doesn't mean you're gonna lose weight. You know, you still have to, like, track your food. Well, not completely track it, but you have to stop overeating. You can eat whatever you want as well. Well, maybe not whatever you want, but you don't have to be completely healthy to lose weight or to maintain a weight. As long as you don't overeat all the time, you'll be good. Boom, 207. We're on our way to the gym. We're about to get there right now. Man, this channel, man, you see the gym so much in my channel, you know, because I love the gym and the gym surrounds my life. Today's a really cloudy day. I really don't like days like these, like, you know, like super cloudy. They just, I don't know, they make you feel down, lazy. I like summer. I like summer. But we just got here right now to the gym. Let's see what's going on today. Boom, boom. VIP parking right here. Alright, so we got our meal and we got the rice on the side. If you guys are ever on the go and you don't have time, like, to cook a bunch of rice, I recommend these right here. It tastes pretty good, and you know, it just saves you a lot of time. But right now it's 5. My last meal was around 2. I'm gonna show you guys what time it is right now. It is currently 4:57. It's the same day. So I'm gonna eat one of these cookies right here. Train the kids, whatever. And then around 8, I'm gonna eat my last meal that I prepped. So, let's go. And the progress.
Hasta ahí no saco
Fuck it, everything. We got a lot to go. Computer relocation, it was over there. Put some shoes over there. Might move this, might move some stuff over there. And we out for today.
What is this?
It's like people that buy those earlier, like sandals and shit, online. They use it. Oh, no. How do you know that? No one praised me. No, mami, I was talking about some other one. I told him that he paid more than $10. He fucking up. How much? They're like a couple bills, right? Shit.
What, the Tesla 100s?
No, you thinking about the fucking bread.
Alright guys, so it's 8:43 and we just got home. We're about to end this day, this full day of eating. I hope you guys like this content. I'm gonna end the video with some cereal because I'm craving something sweet. My last meal I didn't explain to you guys. I was inside of the gym, so everybody was around. I just didn't explain it. Why? I don't know. But the last meal was just some ground turkey that I cooked earlier with that Minute Maid rice. So I ate that, and I ate that like an hour ago. So I just, you know, it's not a lot of cereal. I just want to like kill like my little craving. Like I tell you, it's good to like satisfy your craving once in a while, but don't go all out. Try to keep it, you know, how could I say, just keep balance with everything you eat. So, if you guys like this content, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuce.